Hello, welcome to startabeehive.com. I'm Scott, the urban beekeeper, and today we are going to light the smoker for the first time. My son Jack is going to do that. Light the match. First you want to take the fuel. I bought this fuel. It came with the smoker. You want to fluff it up a little bit at the top. It looks like it's just cotton, right off the cotton plant. Not cleaned or anything. So go ahead and light it in several spots, Jack. Don't just, I suppose that works. I was going to say, don't just put it in one spot.
Because it lit another spot.
Right, because I fluffed it up at the top. It lit a bunch of spots.
Should I light it one more time?
Sure. Wow. And I'll puff a little smoke in there.
Wait, this is filled with smoke.
No, puff a little air from the bellows into it. I think I'll move it out of the garage a little bit. You still got me, Helen?
Yep, I still got you.
I will do that. I want you guys, since you guys won't have any protective equipment on, I want you guys to stand back. I want to make sure it's going well, though. No, I'm going to be wearing that because I'm going in. Today we are going to inspect the beehive 24 hours after we installed the bees. This is good.
Oh, Dad, here it is.
Alright, and there our smoker is smoking.
Dad, it's right there. Here it is.
Yeah, we'll be fine. So, if you can shut that off, Helen, we'll